Let's give this thing a rip. It goes, it stops, it turns. This is a great driving Bronco. Welcome to Gateway Bronco. My name is Seth Burgett, CEO and founder. Our mission statement is to deliver the best driving and the safest vintage Bronco built anywhere. This is one more example, an original 1976 chassis, and it drives amazing, fulfilling our mission of delivering the best driving and the safest vintage Bronco anywhere. Most people think it takes two hands on the wheel. I've got two fingers on the wheel. Most people think that you have to saw the wheel like an old school vehicle going down the road. I don't have any hands on the wheel and we're still driving straight. It's unbelievable. Our team has fulfilled this dream by delivering suspension with proprietary setup, by delivering a precision of steering. Railroad track, no problem. We've got active ride control. This is an amazing driving vehicle in an original 1976 chassis. Our vehicles only drive better from here in our Coyote Edition and our Halo offering, the Lux GT. We are delivering dreams to driveways every week. If you'd like to learn more how to turn your dream into this kind of reality, please give me a call. Thanks so much for joining, and let's take a ride together.